At my brokest, I created. At my lowest, I created. In a pandemic, I created. Without an audience, I created. Without views, I created. Without a LLC, I created. Without a logo, I created. Without equipment, I created. Without connections, I created. A friend shared this with me earlier this month. It's not deep, it's not long, but it's heartfelt and has now been shared thousands of times by authors, artists, makers, marketers, inspirational entrepreneurs, and the creative community in general over the last several weeks. I don't even know who wrote it, but that's kind of the point. It embodies a universal instinct, the commitment to create, the consistency, and the spirit of what it takes to put your passion into a process in the service of making progress and getting better each and every day at what you love. As we roll into 2022, I'm betting it all on small, tiny creators making a big impact, tiny entrepreneurs creating content and courses and communities that truly change the world and our lives in the process. I'd love to invite you, if you're listening to this, to join us in the Tiny Revolution. You'll be one of the very first founding members of our new tiny community. We will be covering simple strategies that will transform your brand, your business, your bank account, and most importantly, your life as an independent entrepreneur. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Join us.